Hello, Facebook Dominators. My name is Johnny. Today, my video is all about why 90% of companies fail. Why you fail to build your online business using social media. 90% of companies fail for the first 5 years. They run out of leads. They run out of money. That's the same way. When you don't know the right way how to build your business, you end up facing the same challenge. First of all, you have to learn how to use attraction marketing. Attraction marketing will help you to reach the right audience. The right audience, these are the people who are interested in what you're doing, what you are doing. Not everyone. So when you learn how to use attraction marketing, you'll be able to reach the right people who are interested. Attraction marketing is like when you go fishing. You have to use a hook. On the hook, you have to put a bait. So it's the same way. The more you share contents, value contents, which are solving your audience problems, fear, and problems, fear, and challenges, the more you'll be able to attract those people to you, and you become an attractive character. So, I had the same problem, but when you learn how to use attraction marketing, you'll be able to build a successful business. That's why, within the coronavirus, I've managed to build a successful business using a proven system. For more information, click on the link below. On that link, I'll share the link with you. Thank you.